Hey everybody, so we have a big old haul today. Been unpacking boxes that have been coming in. So let's get started, and if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get to. So we'll start out with this lovely product. But you can turn it into something yummy for sandwiches or crackers. Oh, here go the dogs. We have some Dayquil, NyQuil tabs, and these keep longer than the liquids. We have some Zicam Rapid Melts. I hear tweeting like there's a bird in here. And then I've gotten seeds for next year. You might want to buy your seeds for next year because strange things are happening to people when they try to get seeds now. One store, somebody said they threw them all away. Another store told the people they didn't have any because they were out of season. That's absurd. So we have just all kinds of, am I even holding these up high enough? All kinds of veggie seeds. Planted a new blueberry plant. My blackberries are all in bloom and making berries. Here is the fried rice seasoning I was talking about, and it already has soy sauce and everything in it. Let's see if we can find the ingredients. I cannot see. It says you can mix with vegetables and eggs or dice meat. But yeah, fried rice seasoning. I didn't even know it was a thing, so you can get that. Montreal chicken seasoning. Everything bagel seasoning. My lighting in here today is terrible. Cajun seasoning. Taco seasoning. Some people are pro seasoning, some people are not. This is an herb blend for homemade salad dressing, so you can make your own salad dressing. I got some Moringa. If you have arthritis or anything like that, I would highly recommend trying Moringa. It's natural, it's from a leaf, from a tree, and it has great results for arthritis and things like that, so you might want to keep it in case you cannot get your medication, or you may want to get off of your arthritis medication and try that. We have some bold and spicy Tabasco brand pepper sauce kosher dill spears. Thought we'd try those. Hopefully the hubby likes them. He loves his dill pickles. Roast beef hash, we got 2 of those. We got a bottle of corn oil. You might want to stock up on your oils. We got this Blue Plate mayonnaise. I've not tried it, but thought I would. Since 1927 it says. We'll see. Got a can of asparagus. Got some fluffy white frosting. You know, if you're storing up on cakes and things, you might want to get something to top them off. We have some freeze-dried broccoli. Freeze-dried is much better than the dehydrated. We have some freeze-dried mozzarella cheese. We have some freeze-dried root vegetables, and I think this has sweet potatoes, white potatoes, onion, turnips, carrots, and then they're seasoned with onion, garlic powder, salt, spices, yeast extract. So these are roasted, I think, roasted with olive oil root vegetables. This I found interesting, freeze-dried mini egg rolls, so we'll have to see how those turn out. Freeze-dried smoked pulled pork. I don't have a freeze dryer. I would do this myself, but that is way out of my budget. We have some freeze-dried turkey breakfast sausages, and this is just much lighter to store. Have 2 containers of old-fashioned oats. And then there's a mosquito in my house. It's been biting me and I can't catch it. This is beef rice-a-roni packed very oddly. And does anybody know why you can't find beef rice-a-roni? You get the chicken all day long. Then we have a 3-pack of the fine cut egg noodles. Have a 6-pack of pepperoni that is shelf stable until you slice it. A big can of Dinty Moore beef stew. A container of ranch dressing mix, and that's good to use just in all sorts of ways. I got a 3-pack of spray bottles, and let me tell you, get you some spray bottles. You will need them. They're very handy for your plants, cleaning, whatever. We are always looking for spray bottles, and I needed some for my plants. A big refill of my Badia Complete Seasoning. I love this stuff. A number 10 can of whole egg powder. A number 10 can of the vegetable stew blend. It's just vegetables. A number 10 can of scrambled egg mix. And a number 10 can of the buttermilk pancake mix. And I like these as well because all of these things are packaged and ready to just put into storage. So I'm kind of getting tired of packaging stuff. Chicken patty with duck fat. These are uncooked, free range, all natural. And a package of freeze-dried ground beef. So I like getting ingredients like this. Things are, separate ingredients so you can create your own meals rather than buying the number 10 cans of pre-made meals. I've tried the 4 Patriots macaroni and cheese so far. It's a little bland, so you're going to want to add some more cheese powder to that or something. So I like having the control you have with these ingredients to make your own stuff. So that's my ginormous haul. Or it's ginormous to me. Now I get to put it all away. And yeah, I hope you all are doing well. There's a lot going on. Let's see, we've canceled oil leases in Alaska. I ran to the store, has threatened a power war, if you know what I mean, like a EMP up in the sky. What else was there? There's several stories coming out. I will post the links to those situations coming up right now, the news stories. I'll put them down in the description box below so you can read about them yourself. So I would stock up, package it well, and hope for the best. Things are not looking up, so it's going to be a rough ride for a while. Anyways, yeah, it's time to put this all away. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.